Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys this extremely affordable, easy and beautiful makeup look. This is an affordable makeup look for beginners, teenagers or for girls in general who are on a budget. So the best part about this makeup look is firstly it's super versatile, like you can carry this makeup look to parties, functions, weddings, just change the lip color according to your preference or your dress and you're good to go. And secondly, this makeup look is ultra affordable, like all the products which I've used in this video are under rupees 200. So girls, if you're on budget and wanna have a good makeup on, then I got your back. So now without further ado, let's see how to achieve this very pretty, beautiful and affordable makeup look. So firstly for my base, I'm going to mix this Lakme foundation and this Pond's BB cream. So this Lakme foundation is for rupees 150 and this Pond's BB cream is for rupees 120. So now after mixing both these foundation and the BB cream, I'm going to apply tiny dots all over my face and neck. And then using this brush which I got from Miniso, and this brush is also under rupees 200. And now using this brush, I'm going to blend all this out thoroughly. So the mix of both these foundation and this BB cream works really well on my skin. But if you don't want to use them together, then obviously you can use them separately and just build the coverage as per your liking. They both are easily blendable and gives a medium coverage. The mixture of both these products gives a dewy look and a little shine to your face, which I absolutely love. And I'll mention all the product details in the description box, so you can check everything out from there. So now after the foundation, now it's time for a concealer, and the concealer which I'm using today is this Swiss Beauty concealer, and this one retails for rupees 199. So I'm just going to apply this concealer under my eyes, bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid bow and on my chin area. And after applying this concealer, now using this beauty blender, I'm going to blend all this out. So this concealer is one of my favorite concealer from the drugstore. It's really super affordable and works really well on my skin. And this concealer gives medium to full coverage and it's really easy to blend. As you can see that it just blends out in just few seconds. I just love this concealer and how it brightens my under eye area. And for just 199 rupees, you cannot ask more. It just does its jobs really well under such a good price. And after applying the concealer, we have to set it, and to set this concealer and the foundation, I'm using this Maybelline New York Super Fresh Compact Powder. So now to set my under eye area, I'm using this small powder brush and I'm taking the product onto this brush, dusting off the excess and then gently applying it under my eye area. And after setting my under eyes with this powder, now I'm going to take this large powder brush. And now using this brush, I'm going to apply this powder all over my face and neck just to set the whole face. So this compact powder is lightweight, super affordable and mattifies the skin so well. It also sets your makeup really nicely and gives you a quite matte finish. So now after setting our base, now let's move on to the eyes, and for the eyes I'm using this Hilary Rhoda palette. So I got this palette for just rupees 190 and I will mention all the product links in the description box. So this is how this palette looks. It has few shimmery shades as well as matte shades and I'm totally in love with this palette. It's quite pigmented and blends really well. So firstly I'm taking this rustic brown color and applying it all over my lid area. Now I'm taking this maroon shade and applying it on my crease area as well as on the outer corner of the eye, just to give a little definition and depth to this eye look. Now I'm going to use this light peach shade and I'm using this shade as my transition color. So I'm just taking a medium blending brush and I'm buffing out the edges using this shade. I'm using this shimmery shade and I'm going to apply this shade on my inner corners of my eyelids, and I'm applying this shimmery shade with the help of a brush, but you can also apply it using your fingers. That way it will give more pigmentation. Now I'm using the mixture of both these maroon shade and this dark brown shade. I'm going to deepen my outer corners by just applying the shade on my outer corners and gently buffing it out. And now I'm going to do my brows because I just forget to do the brows before the eye makeup. And for the brows I'm using this Maybelline brow cream pencil in the shade grey. So I'm just going to shape my brows with this pencil and using tiny and feather light strokes to fill in the brows. And after shaping my brows, I'm just using this spoolie just to comb my eyebrows into desired shape and remove all the excess powder from the brows. And now let's just finish this eye makeup, and for the lower lash line I'm firstly using this maroon shade and I'm applying this shade with the help of a very small and tiny angular brush. And now to buff out the edges, I'm using this brown shade and I'm applying it right below where I've applied this maroon shade. And I'm using this very pretty shimmery shade and I'm applying it on my inner corners as well as on my brow bone area just to highlight them. So I don't have any highlighter which is under ₹200, so I'm using this shade only as my highlight and it just does a very good job as a highlighter. It's a very pretty subtle highlighter which just makes your skin really glowy and shiny, which I absolutely love. And I'm just going to apply this highlighter on the high points of my face like bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, cheekbones and center of the forehead. And now for the eyeliner, I'm using this Lakme Insta liner and I'm just going to apply a simple and easy winged eyeliner. And now I'm going to curl my lashes with the help of an eyelash curler. Now for the mascara, I'm using this Blue Heaven Walk Free Mascara. And I'm just going to apply a nice coat of this mascara on my upper lashes as well as on my lower lashes. And I'm not going to use any falsies this time because I was not being able to find good false lashes under the budget of rupees 200. So I'm not using one today. But if you want to add false lashes on this eye look, then you can go ahead and glam this eye look even more. Now for the blush, I'm using this Blue Heaven Diamond Blush on in the shade 503. And I'm just applying this blush onto the apples of my cheeks and dragging it towards the temple area. This blush has a satin smooth finish and it's really easy to blend, and it's also highly pigmented, so you have to be really careful while applying it. Just apply this blush light-handedly. Now for the lips, I'm firstly using this lip pencil from Miss Claire. And I'm just going to outline my lips with this lip pencil and also filling it in. Now for the lipstick, I'm using this Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Lip Color in the shade 11. And after applying the lipstick, your makeup is done and you just have to set it using a makeup setting spray. And for that, I'm using this Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer, which has aloe vera and vitamin E. So you just have to spritz it all over your face and just let it air dry. And yeah, that's it for this makeup look. I just love how it turns out using such affordable products. It's a very beautiful, nice and subtle makeup with rustic eye look. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.